Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Home Science class for the students of class 8 on the topic Home Science Assignment 2. I am repeating, today our topic is the discussion of Assignment 2. And students, this is lecture number 13. So students, for today's discussion of assignment, you have to take your writing elements with your notebook. Now I am going to discuss on your assignment topic. So let's discuss. Students, this is lecture number 13, and in this lecture I am going to discuss on your assignment of home science, and the number is 2. And from chapter 8 food planning, you have to answer for your assignment, and for this you can take help from lesson 1 food planning, rule of selecting menu, lesson 2 1000 days nutrition from mother's arm to 2 years, lesson 3 food for a baby of 4 to 6 years, lesson 4 food for a child of 11 to 15 years, lesson 5 food planning for an opposite child, lesson 6 food planning for underweight baby. Assignment or assigned task. Number 2, you are 13 years old. Make your one-day food list, including quantity, including the table below. So here you can see a table, and you have to prepare your assignment following this chart. You can see different group foods. Here we can find crops and crops equivalent food, protein food, vitamin, vegetables, fruits, milk and milk products, oil, ghee, sweetened food item. And here you have to mention about the food that you used to take in the morning, in the noon, in the afternoon, and at night. Explain the rationale for taking different foods of groups of food. So here you have to mention, and you have to explain the food names why you are taking this type of foods in your everyday life. Now some instructions for you. Instructions can be given for making charts on poster paper or on the reverse white pages of calendars. Instruct the students to read the textbook well, and to get excellent, being able to create a complete chart of food list. Number 2, consistent concept of information and measurement. Number 3, providing logical explanations for taking different foods. Number 4, accuracy in spelling and sentence making. Number 5, noticeable individuality and creativity in writing. So I hope you will maintain all these rules and regulations, and you will get excellent. And also here you can see the norms of very good, good, and needs to progress. Now students, come to main discussion. So here you can see the chart, and you have to think that you are a child of 13 years old. You have to mention, or you have to make a list of your daily food that you used to take one day, and also you have to add the quantity that you used to take. So look at this chart. Also you can take help from your book. Students, take your home science book and open page number 74. Here you can see a list of food for 11 to 15 years child is given below. You can see different food groups. Here all food groups are mentioned, and amount of one serving also mentioned, and the chart shows the amount of male and female. So here you can see the chart, and you can take help for making your chart. But look, here we find the serving amount of male and female, but you need to be cautious. You have to prepare yours one. That means whether you are 13 years old, you have to write about your quantity, the food that you used to take in the morning, noon, afternoon, and at night. So students, I hope you are able to make this chart. Now the main point is you have to prepare your assignment on poster paper or on the reverse white pages of calendars. Students, you can't make your assignment in white page or A4 size page. You have to take help of poster paper, or you can use calendar. The opposite side of calendar is totally white, and you can write there. So students, I hope you can understand. You will make this chart. You will explain the rationale for taking different group foods, why it is important for taking all types of food in everyday life. you will explain, you will make this chart in poster paper, or you can use calendar. Now students, I am telling you the submission date. Our submission date is 17th June. So don't forget to submit your assignment on due time. So students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please prepare your assignment properly, and I wish that you will get excellent. So see you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.